Welcome to our channel. If you're upgrading to a new Samsung phone and want to transfer all your data, follow these step-by-step instructions using Smart Switch. Step 1. On your new Samsung phone, go through the initial setup process until you reach the data transfer option. Step 2. Select Transfer Data from your old device when prompted during setup, or open the Smart Switch app after setup. Step 3. Choose your transfer method: wireless transfer, cable connection, or external storage transfer. Step 4. On your old phone, download and open the Smart Switch app from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store if it's not pre-installed. Step 5. On both phones, tap Wireless if you chose wireless transfer, or connect the phones with a USB cable if using wired transfer. Step 6. On your old phone, tap Send Data, and on your new phone, tap Receive Data. Step 7. Select the old device type from the list on your new phone. Step 8. When the devices connect, review the list of data types you can transfer, including apps, contacts, messages, photos, and settings. Step 9. Select the data you want to transfer by checking the boxes, then tap Transfer to begin. Step 10. Wait for the transfer to complete. Keep both phones close together and avoid interrupting the process. Step 11. When the transfer is finished, tap Done and verify that all your data has transferred successfully to your new phone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.